जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्य योगम 23rd श्लोक। श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा along with Arjuna teaching to each and every one of us, Krishna Paramatma disclosing the essence of Upanishads and saying that, "O Arjuna, Atma is the most tiniest thing of this entire creation. Nothing can go inside the Atma." Arjuna, if something has to destroy the Atma, then that has to go inside the Atma. There is no way any smallest particle also can go inside the Atma. That is why even the fire particles cannot burn the Atma, and water particles cannot wet the Atma. Even the wind, smallest particles of the wind also cannot dry the Atma. That means in this entire Srishti, nothing has an ability to go inside the Atma, and nothing has an ability to destroy the Atma. This fact you have to always remember, because this is talking about yourself. Having this fact running in our mind, let us now try to repeat the same words spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Nainam chindanti shastrani nainam dahati pavakaha nachainam kledayanti apaha nasoshayati marutaha. Om. In our day-to-day routine, whenever we are taking shower, whenever we are getting in touch with water, whenever we are getting in touch with fire or sun rays or wind, we should remember that all these things have no ability to touch me, no ability to show their effect on me, because I am the tiniest form. But this wind, fire, water, everything is showing their effect only on my body. This fact, if we can remember every day like this, that is what is Atma Dhyanam we are doing every day. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, strongly recommending all of us to do the following works, 8 works. Krishna Paramatma saying that always make sure your mind is occupied with me. Krishna Paramatma saying that become my devotee and do all your activities as my service. Do namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry anymore. Ma suchaha. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep spreading this Gita Amrutam among all the devotees. If you keep doing these 8 works, I will make sure you are liberated from all kind of sins and you will become my most beloved devotee. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, In my day-to-day routine, whenever I am taking shower, whenever I am in touch with fire, whenever I am in touch with sun rays, whenever I am in touch with wind, I will remember that all these things are not at all able to show their effect on me because I am the tiniest form. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall make sure my mind is always occupied with you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do all my activities as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do namaskaram to you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Suta Maharshi is disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis. In that process, Suta Maharshi is saying that, oh Maharshis, now Vidura staying in Hastinapuram, everybody is happy with Vidura. Do you all know who is Vidura? Vidura is Sakshat Yamadharmaraju. Because of Mandavya's curse, Yamadharmaraju had to come as Vidura like this. O Maharshis, that is why Vidura knows everyone's death time, everyone's mrityu kalam. And also, O Maharshis, on this earth, the Surya witnesses everybody's sins and gives punishment to that. Surya's son is Yamadharmaraju. Now Yamadharmaraju came as Vidura. So that is why all Yamadharmaraju's responsibilities now Surya is taking care. O Maharshis, now when you look into Hastinapuram, Dharmaraju enjoying all the comforts of the kingdom. He also has got grandson Pautram Kulandharam. Parikshittu is there. Dharmaraju always accompanied with his brothers Bhratrubihi, Lokapalaihi, such a great warriors and very efficient in taking care of several things. That is how Dharmaraju, Mumude, he is happy. But he and Dhritarashtra, both of them, Avijñātaha, Kalaha, Paramadustaraha, they are not realizing that they are getting older. They are not realizing that their death is very coming close to them. That is how they are drowned in their comforts, in their happiness. Now Vidura started thinking about to do some favor to his brother Dhritarashtra. So Vidura went to Dhritarashtra and saying that, "O Raja, nirgamyatam sighram, come on, get out of this place as soon as possible. Bhayam agatam, death is very, very close to you now. Now you cannot get rid of this death. You cannot save your pranam." Now what to talk about these comforts and luxuries? "O Raja, come on, you have seen, you made it possible that so many people got killed in Kurukshetra battle. You became so old, Atma cha jarayagrastaha, and you are blind. You are living in somebody's place, parageham upasase. You are being fed by some other people in some other houses, and you also getting deaf. Mandaprajnascha, your memory power also going down. Visirnadantaha, you lost all your teeth. Mandagnihi, you lost all of your digestion power. Now you cannot eat, you cannot see, you cannot crunch, you cannot remember, you cannot listen. Yet you wanted to live. That is why you are living in somebody's house, and whatever they feed you are just eating and living. You are not losing hopes on your life. You wanted to live like this only. Like that, Vidura started sarcastically saying to Dhritarashtra. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 23rd sloka. Nainam छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावकः न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्यापो न शोषयति मारुतः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.